For model A50S with a stainless steel faceplate, remove the two screws on the underside of the unit. For models A50B, A50W, A50G with an acrylic faceplate, remove the two screws on the underside of the unit and remove the faceplate by lifting it off from the indent at the bottom. Connect the included 3/8" tubing into the right inlet connection on the lower back of the unit. Connect the other end of this tubing to your water line inside or near the wall. Connect the included drain tubing to the center drain outlet on the lower back of the unit. Use the drain tube clamp to secure it. Connect the other end of this tubing to your drain line inside or near the wall. If you are installing this together with the Model A50cc cooling system, place the cooling system in a location nearby the wall bottle filler. This can be placed on a shelf, under a cabinet, or in the wall below the bottle filler with the Avalon A50 grill covering it. Locate the tubing that is between the water inlet and water outlet on the lower back of the wall bottle filler. Disconnect this tubing by removing the two blue locking clips and pressing on the push connect fittings. Connect one end of the included non-insulated 3/8" tubing to the left push connect fitting when facing the back of the unit, next to the power cord that was just opened in the previous step. You may do so by feeding it behind the unit or through the hole in the case below the unit, depending on your installation method and location. Connect the other end of the 3/8" non-insulated tubing to the water inlet of the cooling system. Connect one end of the included insulated 3/8" tubing to the right push connect fitting next to the water line running to the Avalon wall bottle filler that was just opened in the earlier step. You may do so by feeding it behind the unit or through the hole in the case below the unit, depending on your installation method and location. Connect the other end of the insulated 3/8" tubing to the outlet of the cooling system. Unravel the wiring leading from inside the cooling system and connect it to the connection end of the black wiring leading from the PCB board inside of the Avalon wall bottle filler. Plug one end of the power cord to the back of the cooling system. Plug the other prong end of the power cord into a grounded power outlet. For installations not using the A50cc cooling system, leave the horizontal tubing in place. Plug in the power cord to a power source. Insert the plastic body inside the wall between two studs. Screw the 6 screws on the sides of the plastic body to secure it to the 2 wall studs. For Model A50S with a stainless steel faceplate, install the stainless steel faceplate onto the front of the unit by lowering it onto the 2 notches at the top and screw on the 2 screws on the underside of the unit to secure the stainless steel faceplate. For models A50B, A50W, A50G with an acrylic faceplate, install the faceplate onto the front of the unit by lowering it onto the 2 notches at the bottom until it is magnetically connected to the plastic body, and screw on the 2 screws on the underside of the unit to secure the faceplate. Upon finishing installation, place your hand in front of the infrared sensor on the dispense area to activate the dispense of water from the spout. Do this for 1 minute to properly flush the new filters. The bottle filler will stop dispensing water after 30 seconds for safety purposes, so you may need to replace your hand in front of the sensor more than 1 time.